Cheers, guys. Happy Wednesday. This is July 17th. And I'm going to be trying some things I got sent in the mail. The soap is a Bear Tallow soap. I think it has whiskey notes, and this was sent to me by a good friend. He was one of the first that saw my videos. He always comments. You guys know him as nonamebear. I know him as Robert. So thank you, Robert. That was some pre-shave oil. Usually I would use a poor man's pre-shave, but he sent me that Bear Tallow soap and that aftershave splash. And this just smells amazing, so I really do not want to change the notes on it. I just want to enjoy it. I have a little bit of sweet vermouth right here. And I just want to enjoy this nice soap. It has a nice smell to it. This is the first time I try Bear Tallow. I could not tell you guys the name because I don't remember off the top of my head. But just by this scent alone, I can tell, Robert, you have amazing taste, my friend. This is really good soap. Smells amazing. He also sent me this razor right here. And this has a black Arkansas edge, I believe. And this is what? This is a Torreys razor. So, I looked at it under the microscope because I am like that. When I get edges sent to me, I gotta look at them under the microscope, and this one looked really good. So first pass. Thank you for sending this, Robert. Let's see how it does. Oh, you guys see that? Look at that. It's super keen from the toe to the heel. That is awesome. Thank you so much for letting me test out this Arkansas edge. I believe this is a surgical black. But this just gets me even more excited to get my surgical in the mail and play around with it. Look at that lather. That is an awesome edge, Robert. Thank you. And this scent, man. You got quite a nose, my friend. All right, let's go with Across the Grain. That sweet vermouth is hitting harder. guys. Robert knows his stuff. This one gets pretty thick, look at that. Has a nice sheen to it. And apparently bears make good soap. Bear tallow. And bears make good razor edges. That's how we say in Puerto Rico, that's perfecto. Look at that tip. Super keen. That's nice. Very nice. Thank you, my friend. I have been practicing off camera, I think, for the Fool's Pass. So if I'm on this cheek, on this side of the lip, instead of using the tip, using the heel seems to be more comfortable. But I am right-handed, so let's see how we do with our left hand now. And it also helps to have a razor that is honed like this good. I am surprised. I think I nicked myself there a little bit. And then here, I always have a few hairs. There, I like using the tip. Perfect. So, let me get cleaned up and I'll see you guys back when I'm done. All right, we're back. So, we tried the bear tallow soap and it smells amazing. Robert, really good taste. I'll be sending this to Eric now so he can try it. I'll also send him this after I try it. Let's see. I'm just gonna put that everywhere. That is amazing. Oh yeah. Yeah, like bourbony. smells like bourbon sweet, little chocolatey, leathery. And then this razor, man, you did an amazing job on it. You can see I nicked myself, and that's because this is a really nice honed razor. And also, every time I have a drink when I'm shaving, I always get a little nick or something. And yeah, amazing edge. I'm really glad you sent this to me to try it out. I'll stay with it for like 3 or 4 more shaves, and then you let me know what kind of edge you want me to put on this, and also let me know if you use tape or not, and we'll go from there. But again, thank you. That was a really nice gesture from your part, and thanks for being here. I always read and reply to all of your guys' comments, so make sure you leave one in the comment section below, and I hope you have a great rest of your week. So have a good one.